kay Jacob Kendrick P. Ramises. Mag-aaral mula sa Kinder Head Start Aristotle.
Our district supervisor, Dr. Ophelia B. Arvizo, Dr. Ophelia, our school principal, Miss Daisy C. and Daisy, teachers, parents, guardians, and my fellow completers, a pleasant morning to all. My name is Jacob Kendrick P. Ramises, and I'm so happy to be standing in front of you today. We are gathered here to celebrate a milestone that is about to end. I remember before, I spent most of my time playing, drawing, and coloring. But when I started kindergarten, I learned the importance of reading, writing, spelling, and computing. We gained new friends and had so many fun adventures. Kindergarten opened up a whole new world for us. Graduating from kindergarten is a big achievement, and with this, I'd like to invite my fellow graduates to give ourselves a big round of applause. I also want to thank the people behind our success. First, thank you to our wonderful teacher, Teacher Loyan, Teacher Edwin. You taught us so much and made learning fun. We will always remember the stories we read, the songs we sang, and the games we played. Also, thank you to our parents and families, especially Nanay Noni, Tatay Kim, and my baby brother Lucas. You always supported us, helped us practice, and made us feel proud of ourselves. We love you so much. I also, to our classmates and friends, thank you for making school so much fun. We shared so many happy times together, and most importantly, thank you to Almighty God for the